Is your car overheating and leaving you stranded in the middle of nowhere? Here is a more comprehensive list detailing the most common signs of a faulty or failing thermostat to be on the lookout for. 1. High temperature reading and engine overheating. The initial and potentially concerning symptom is a temperature gauge reading that climbs into the red zone within the first 15 minutes of your vehicle's engine running. This is frequently the first indication that the thermostat is not operating correctly. It signifies that coolant is not entering the engine due to the thermostat being stuck closed, posing a risk of rapid engine damage. Coolant is intended to travel to the radiator for cooling before returning to the engine to dissipate additional heat. However, in the case of a stuck thermostat, the coolant remains stationary, leading to the continued accumulation of heat. 2. Low temperature reading and underheated engine. A thermostat stuck in the open position consistently directs coolant into the engine, resulting in a lower operating temperature. The temperature gauge will indicate a needle that barely rises or remains at the lowest setting. When the engine fails to reach an optimal temperature, its efficiency diminishes. You may observe increased fuel consumption, resulting in additional expenses at the pump. Furthermore, this issue can contribute to premature wear of engine components. 3. Temperature fluctuations. Erratic temperature fluctuations can manifest as dramatic spikes and drops, adversely affecting engine performance and diminishing gas mileage. In such instances, you may observe the temperature reading unusually low at one point, followed by a rapid climb to an abnormally high level shortly after. While the thermostat itself may not be physically stuck in any one position, it can still generate inaccurate readings and disrupt the proper regulation of coolant. 4. Heater fluctuations. The coolant is responsible for heating the car's interior through the heater core. Consequently, if the thermostat fails to regulate the engine temperature consistently, you may encounter temperature fluctuations inside the car from the vents. If both the temperature gauge and the heat inside the car experience fluctuations, it is definitely time to inspect the thermostat. 5. Possible leakages and steam from the engine. When the thermostat is malfunctioning, the high-pressure hot coolant within the engine coolant chamber may find a means to escape. Given that hot air rises and water transforms into steam when heated, excessive pressure can lead to leaks at vulnerable points. The coolant is frequently forced out of the radiator tank. Leaks are typically easy to identify as they are visible, often manifesting as white steam smoke. In summary, an overheating engine can lead to significant damage, such as a blown head gasket, resulting in substantial repair costs. However, a malfunctioning thermostat is not the sole cause of engine overheating. It's crucial to inspect coolant levels to ensure an adequate fluid supply in the system. Other potential causes include a faulty water pump, a leak in the cooling system, or a clogged radiator. Nevertheless, the thermostat should be among the components examined in troubleshooting the issue. Click on this video right here to explore the signs and symptoms of a faulty water pump. And as always, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to support the channel. Thanks, I'll see you next time.